Hello friends. In this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Easy Markets broker. You enter the Forex section of the brokers, select Easy Markets broker, and then click on the website. You enter the website, click on Sign Up, and then in the registration section, you choose your first name, last name, email address, and password. I recommend using a mix of uppercase and lowercase, letters, numbers, and symbols. Then you enter your mobile phone number and finally click on Sign Up. Then you select your country and click on Continue. Then you log into your account, and to work with the Easy Markets website, you need to upload documents such as an ID card, passport, and profile picture. Good luck.